Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create an e-commerce website with Woo themes. Today's theme actually will be political t-shirts. I'll be adding some candidates I'm looking to run in 2016 to keep things interesting. The first thing you need to do is download two things. You need to download WooCommerce and you need to download what is called Woo Dojo. And first, we can go ahead and we're going to go install WooDojo. I actually have it bookmarked here, but the address to download this is woothemes.com/WooDojo. I'm going to go ahead and I'll put that link in there for you so it makes it easier. So right now we want to go ahead and download this for free. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to automatically go to my download folder. And in a minute it should open up. Okay, let's see. Okay, and it's right here, and it's called WooDojo Zip. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and install the WooCommerce. So I am actually going to go to our dashboard, and we want to go to where plugins is, and we want to add new. Okay, and we want to go ahead and search for this plugin, and we want to type in the word WooCommerce. And that's WooCommerce, and go ahead and hit enter. And it's actually the first one here, so we want to go ahead and install this. Yes, and it's going to go ahead and install. Okay, it is done installing, and what we want to do next is activate this plugin. So of course click on Activate Plugin, and it's going to go ahead and install it. You'll see at the bottom of your screen letting you know the status of that. Okay, now it looks like it's installed, and the next thing we have to do now is install the WooCommerce pages. So go ahead and click here. Okay, and now it is installed. If you click on settings, you're going to go ahead and see some of the settings involved with this. And just general options like where your base location is, and products, tax, checkout, shipping, all these important things that you'll need to set up later. But we'll get to that in a bit. Okay, next we're going to need to install the WooDojo. And you do this by going to Plugins, hovering over Plugins, and Add New. And if you remember, that was a downloadable plugin, so we're going to have to find that. And what we need to do is go on your plugin page, click on Upload Plugin, and we're going to search for that file. This, of course, is a Mac computer, and it's going to be under Downloads. And there it is, WooDojo. So go ahead and click on it. Open. I want to pinpoint to you, do not click on the actual folder. It actually automatically opens it, but please disregard that and just open the zip file and click on Open. We want to install now, and it's going to go ahead and install. And once again, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see updates, what it's doing. Okay, now it is installed. We want to go ahead and activate the plugin. And now it is activated. Okay, we are ready to go to add our first product. I want to go ahead and add the products first, and we can look at anything else later. So let's go ahead. Up top on the screen, you can either click on New, Add Product, or also you can go to Products here, and then Products, and Add Product. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, and that will take you to the product page. The product that I will call the first product is Elizabeth Warren t-shirt, and that is the product name. Let's go ahead and put 2016 in, and then next we're going to go ahead and add some product description. I'm just going to copy and paste some dummy text, but this is where you would put a description in for whatever you are selling. Next, you want to go ahead and add a product category. As you can see, I've done this before, so t-shirt is actually already there. But what you would do is hit on add new product category and name it whatever you want. Of course mine was t-shirt, but I'm just going to disregard this. So you would just hit t-shirt and add new product category, and it's going to pop up here like t-shirt. But like I said, I'm just going to ignore that right now, and we're going to check off t-shirt. The next thing you need to do is add product tags. These are tags that will describe the actual product. So what I'm going to use is, I guess I'm going to use t-shirt again. I'm going to use, let's just put Warren, and the word, this is a white t-shirt, so I'm just going to put white. The more product tags you put in, please put in commas so we can see it. And once you're done with your tagging, you can click on add, and right now you see them there. Next, you can add some images to your page. The first thing is the product gallery. You can actually add some gallery images that people can view their t-shirts, or your t-shirts that you're selling, and whatever you have you can just add to that. But I'm going to actually skip that now and just add a featured image. So if I click on featured image, you want to go to, of course, where it says upload files, and what we want to do is I want to add my first one, which would be Elizabeth Warren t-shirt. Okay, I already uploaded these before, as you can see, but we're going to go ahead and use the new ones. So Elizabeth Warren is right here, and I'm just going to title it Warren t-shirt, and I'm going to give a title to it, copy it, and paste the same title in for the alt text, and then click at the bottom here where it says set product page. Product image, and you'll see it appear right here. Next, we want to go ahead and add some information for the product. This is what is called product data, and there's going to be 4 selections here that you can choose from. Today we're actually going to discover simple product, which is next, and then variable product, which is different variations of the same product. Also, you can, if you have virtual downloadable products, you might want to check these, and then you can go through the same process of adding these so people can download them either for free or if they have to pay for something, like a PDF file or something like that. But today we just want to go ahead and add, right now we're going to go ahead and add a simple product. We want to go ahead and put a price in, and I'm going to just say this is $25. And as you notice, it has the pound symbol next to it. We'll take care of that in a little bit. You'll also notice there's a section here for sell price. If you have a particular sale going on, you can actually, if you wanted to put that down to 20 for a certain week, you can go ahead and schedule that for a certain time period. And when it's done, it'll go back to 25. Next, we want to go to attributes, and go ahead and click here. Of course, this is a simple product. We want to go ahead and click on add for a new one, and the name we're going to use is color, and then you'll start getting the idea here. So the value, we're going to go ahead and put white. Make sure you check off visible on the product page, and then click save attributes. So this is what we consider a simple product, and we just want to let people know it's one size and one size only. So we're going to add a second attribute. And let's go ahead and label this size, and as the value will be one size fits all. And once again, we want to make sure this is checked, and then save attributes. Okay, the next step we want to do is add the product short description, and it's located right below. Let's go up top, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab the first sentence and copy that and paste the information in, and we're going to use that as our short description. Just something really short that you're using above. And then the last thing at the very bottom, we want to make sure the layout is full screen. The reason being is you don't want any sidebar because that might detract the person from leaving the page, especially if they're checking out. Okay, so now we are actually ready to publish. So we want to go up top to where it says publish. I already published this before by accident, so it's going to say update for me, but it should say publish here on the top right for you. So just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to go ahead and update. And when it's done, you can go click up top where it says view product, and there is our page. First, I want to point out that this is the actual image that we uploaded, and if you click on it, you can see a larger version of it in a light box. And here's the title, and this is the price, of course, and this is the product description that we put in, short product description. And then if you want to purchase it, this is our add to cart and the quantity. You can see your tags here that we added before, and then you look at the bottom. Now you see the description, the product description we put in. And if you click on additional information, that's our information, one size fits all. And there's a section here for reviews also that people can submit. So this is how you add a simple product to a WordPress website. Next, we're going to show you how to add a variable product with multiple colors and sizes. So we can go back to the dashboard. And next we will go to new product, and this is where we can type in the Hillary t-shirt and put Hillary Clinton 2016 t-shirt. And next I want to put in some dummy text, so I'm going to cut and paste from the internet that we got something there. And of course, this is the description area where you would have a description on your product. And then next we want to go to add product category. And it looks like my t-shirt category has disappeared. It should not do that, but I'm going to go ahead and add t-shirt as a category. And you click on add new product category. It should really be like this. It'll say t-shirt with the check mark. I had to reduce something, so possibly that's why we lost that, but don't fear, just click on t-shirt. And then next we go to product tags. We want to go ahead and I'm going to put Clinton, we put white. These are actually available in a few colors, so I'm going to put white, yellow, pink, comma, and blue. And once again, we want to make sure you put commas in between each tag. And then just go ahead and click Add. And then the product gallery, once again, we're going to go ahead and skip this. I wanted to retrack a bit, and I realized I never really showed you how to add a product gallery. This is so easy, I don't know why I didn't show you in the first place. When you are on your page and you're adding a t-shirt, of course, I showed you how to put in the product categories, product tags, and now we have the product gallery. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on this Add Product Gallery Images. Go to where it says Upload Files. And all you have to do is grab your pictures. I actually have 4 selected, and I'm going to drag and insert them here for upload. And they'll add one by one. And let's go ahead and we want to add titles and alt text to them all. So all I'm going to do is label it. This one's yellow, so I'm going to put yellow Clinton t-shirt. Copy it, and same for the alt text. And then we're going to go to the pink one, and let's just call it pink Clinton t-shirt. Paste it with the alt text too. Now we'll go to the blue one. I'll put blue. Alt text the same thing. And then we have the back. So I guess I will just put Clinton t-shirt, white, full back. Actually, I think, let's take out the word full back and copy and paste the alt text. Once we are done, I go ahead and click on the right bottom, add to gallery, and as you can see, they're right here. Now, when you go to, let's go ahead first. We should go ahead and update the page first. And once it's done, let's go ahead and view the product. Now you will see each color here, which is great. So if somebody's looking at pictures and they want to click on this, you can see each little thumbnail appear here, but you can look at them one by one too in different colors. And that's a pretty good effect. Notice the description I put earlier is right here, so people can read that too. Okay, and that would cover that. And we'll go back to the tutorial. But next we're going to go ahead and add a feature image. So to click on that, let's click on Set Feature Image. And then we want to go to Upload. And I'm going to drag my Hillary Clinton t-shirt in. And once again, we're going to have to title this. So I'm going to just put Clinton t-shirt. And copy that and paste in alt text. And we want to set that as the featured image. Okay, so next we want to get to the product data. It's selected for simple product, which we did before, but this time we want to select the variable product because we're going to be adding different sizes and colors to this. Next we want to go to attributes, and this is where we click add. Before I actually get into putting the information here, I just want to point out that there's other sections here. Of course, there's the general, there's inventory, there's shipping, which you might find interesting that you can add the actual shipping to this, linked products, and then variations, which we'll get into, then advanced. But I just wanted to pinpoint that there are other sections here which you can add information, but to keep things simple, we're just going to keep with what we're doing now. And this is where attributes is. We want to go ahead and add the name size, and this is of course the size of the t-shirts. And then we have values. You want to go ahead and put the different size t-shirts which we would have, and then put a pipe in between. The pipe is actually located, if you look at your keyboard, above the enter or return key. All you have to do is hit shift and the pipe will come up. So for example, we're going to put small, pipe, medium, pipe, large, pipe, extra large. Okay, and that will take care of that. And we want to make sure that you check these two, visible on product page and used for variations. And I'm just going to click save to make sure that's saved. And then we actually have to add one more, and this will be for the color. So go ahead and click on add again, one more time. And we want to go ahead and put color in. The colors I have are white, yellow, blue, and pink. Unlike the last shirt we had, this shirt, Hillary's a little bit more popular, so we have quite a few variations of colored t-shirts for her because we know they'll sell. So pretty much go ahead and click on visible on the product page, check on used for variations, and saved attributes. Next we want to go ahead and click on variations. This is where you put all the information in. It's a little bit tricky, but it's easy at the same time. So I'm going to actually start mentally by color. It's just easier for me to do by color. So the white t-shirt is first, and we're going to go ahead and say small. And we're going to add a variation to the right. Okay, and this pops up. There's information which you can put in later, like sell price and if it's in stock or not. But we're just going to keep things easy here. The regular price we're going to say is we'll say $25 for this t-shirt. And we have to put small in and white. Just double check that you do everything right. And so we'll have to do the other sizes. So to make things easier, I'm actually going to click 3 times. 2, 3. That way I can add each size. So after white small, we would have white medium, and the price is $25. And then we go to white again, large, regular price, 25. Color white, size extra large. We're going to mix things up a bit and put 30 since it is an extra large. And then once we're done with that, we got to do the next color t-shirt. So we will go ahead and click add variation 4 times. So you click it for the number of times that you would have a variation. I'm just trying to keep things in order here and do things in order for you. Okay, so we want to click on yellow, which is the next size, and small, variation price 25. Yellow, medium, 25. Yellow, large, 25. Yellow, extra large, 30. And you want to make sure you have your regular prices and maybe double check them later, because if there's nothing in there, I think things come up blank and it looks funny. So always double check that you put the prices in. Okay, for the next variation, we need to add that 4 times. Okay, and next color after yellow is blue, and small, 25. Blue, medium, 25. Blue, large, 25. Blue, extra large, we had 30. And now we're ready for the last set here. Add a variation 4 times. 3, 4. Okay, and the last one is pink, small. So make sure you put that price in, 25. Pink, medium, 25. Pink, large, 25. And then pink, extra large, 30. So now we added a variation for each shirt, each size and each color. Next, we want to get back up to our description here. I'm just going to grab the first line again of the description and copy it. And then we're going to go down to all the way down to where it says product short description and paste in our information here. And then now we can actually go ahead and publish this. So we'll go up to the top right, and this time we are going to actually click the word publish. And it's publishing. And we want to go ahead and view this product. Okay, here we are. Once again, you can click on the light box to see the t-shirt larger. And this is the actual title of the t-shirt. Prices, the short description which we created, the size, the person can choose which size they want and which color. And then price, of course, is here. And I want to emphasize that we did put 2 prices, so it shows 25 to 30 here. And then a person can decide how many they want and click add to cart. You're also going to see the category here, which we created, and the tags. And right below is the product description, which we created. Additional information, if you click on it, includes the size and different colors so people know. And then we had this section for reviews. I wanted to point out the very bottom here, it's showing related products. And this is actually the actual other t-shirt we created. That was the important reason that we want to go ahead and tag everything in categories, everything. So for each t-shirt you add, if there's a likeness between the 2 t-shirts, it's going to show it below. And unfortunately we're only putting 2 t-shirts in this time, but if you were doing quite a few shirts, you'll notice each icon would keep on, or each thumbnail, whatever you want to call it, would keep on adding here. So this is how you add a simple product and a variable product in WooCommerce. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the shop page so we can go ahead and see what the 2 t-shirts look there. And of course shop is on top of the navigation here. I'm going to click on shop. And we see our two t-shirts here. So of course I'm only doing two for an example, but if you keep on adding, if you're a Republican, you might want to add Mitt Romney or Chris Christie. I don't know who may run, but you can add those also. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at how we change the currency. We were all sure bothered by the pound sign. What you would do is actually go to your dashboard, and we want to go to WooCommerce and then go to settings. And under general options here, right here, you're going to go ahead and see this. So base location, you will put what country in. I'm going to change this to United States in Chicago, Illinois. And selling locations, I'm going to leave to sell countries because anybody can buy these t-shirts around the world. As far as currency, we want to change it from pounds to US dollar. And the currency position I want to keep on the left because that's where you always see it. And there are other sections here to the settings. If you click on products, oops, I need to save. Let's stay on this page and save. Make sure you save your changes first. Okay, and then you have products. And it's going to list everything here. And if you don't know what something is, just click on top of the question mark, and it's going to tell you exactly what's going on here. Some people might want to know more about this. The weight unit, I don't think anybody wants, if you're in America, wants it under kilograms. You may want to change it to pounds. And dimensions, change from cm to maybe inches, I assume. And this is where your product ratings are, so you can check or uncheck if you want the ratings on the reviews. And that would be it for this page, but we want to make sure once again you go to the bottom and click Save Changes. Okay, that is done. And you're going to see other pages too. Information for taxes, if you need taxes on your website for each product. And once again, you would have to check here. And then checkout information. If there's a coupon, you can click for coupon here. Next is shipping. This is information on if you want things on flat rate or free shipping, etc. Accounts. This is where you would put information in, and emails. Now let's go back to shipping real quick. I just want to point out that there's different, as I explained before, there's different shipping methods like flat rate, free shipping. For our settings, for this example, I just left everything at free. As you can see, the status here is checked. But if you want to add things like local pickup, you can actually select that, and it'll show up when the person is checking out. And once again, you would hit Save Changes at the bottom when you're done. And let's go back to checkout real quick. And we want to make sure checked off is enabled use of coupons. I'm going to go ahead and show you in a minute how to add a coupon. But this is different sections that you can change. I'm keeping everything as is. As far as the payment section here, it's sort of important. Whatever you think that you might have for your website, or if you're working with a store, you're going to need to make sure these are set. So I want my website just to work with PayPal, and you can see that's checked, and that's great. But you see how this is enabled with direct bank transfer? I don't want that personally. So if you hit Settings, uncheck Enable Bank Transfer, hit Save Changes, and then go to other one was check payment. Settings, Enable, unchecked, I'm sorry, and then Save Changes. And we'll go back to checkout once again. And now you can see PayPal is just selected. But you may want to do direct bank transfer. If so, you'll have to do some research on that. But to keep things simple, we're going to stick with PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can just have your PayPal account synced with your website. So anybody that makes a purchase, it goes straight into your PayPal account. Once again, let's go ahead and click Save Changes. And then the last step we'll go through is how to add a coupon. This is actually really easy. Under WooCommerce, you'll click on Coupons. And no coupons found, of course. We haven't added one yet. But to add a coupon, you click on Add Coupon. And then I'm just going to call it, since it's near the holidays now, I'm going to call it Holiday. And you can put a description if you'd like. This will say the type of discount you have. It's a cart discount, of course, but there's different discounts you can give, whether a percentage or an actual number. My coupon amount is going to be $5 off. And once again, if you have questions, just go over the question mark and it shows the value of the coupon. And then there's different selections too, like you could allow for free shipping, you could allow before tax the coupon, and then probably might be vital to you, especially if you have a busy lifestyle, to make sure you put in a coupon expiry date. That way the coupon won't show up on your website anymore. But we are going to actually go ahead and publish this coupon now. Okay, that is complete. And now we can finally go into the actual website and purchase something. We'll go through the motions like a customer would. So if we go up to the top to Visit Site, and let's go ahead and shop. We'll decide right now I'm for Hillary Clinton, so I want to go ahead and purchase a Hillary Clinton t-shirt. I'm going to click on Hillary, and personally I know I probably need a large, and let's see, let's be cool and have a blue t-shirt. Add to cart. Okay, so this is added to the cart now, and tells you that here. Now let's go to the cart. As you can see in our cart, we have the t-shirt listed, the price, the color, of course, size large, and here's the section where the coupon code will come up. I created it. It's called Holiday, and I'm going to click on Apply Coupon. And right now you will notice that it applied that coupon right here for $5 off, and it's right here, I'm sorry, for $5 off, and then my total amount would be $20. So we want to go ahead and proceed to checkout now that we got this coupon on. Okay, and as far as the checkout here, this is the billing details. You put all your information in, and it'll show the order at the bottom. And this is the $25 minus the $5 coupon, order total $20. And our only option right now is to use PayPal and pay through PayPal. I personally just feel it's safe and secure, so the person would need to have a PayPal account, and that it turns out that you can have one for free. So if they have any questions, just have them go to PayPal and create a free account, and then they could just connect by paying through their Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover through your website. Okay, I do want to point out one last thing. On some of your pages, like here for the checkout, you see a sidebar. And I think that's a bad time to actually have a sidebar. So if we go into the dashboard, you want to click on Pages. Okay, and then there's our checkout. So if we click on Edit on Checkout, you want to go to the bottom here and click the full screen one and just hit Update. Now if I were you, I would check the other pages, like the cart, my account, shop. Just make sure they're full screen. I would suggest have full screen there, because once they're to that point, they want to buy stuff and they probably don't want to go in and search for other things. But that option will be left up to you. Okay, that would be it for today. That was a long one, and I'd like to think that I helped you. And this was how to create an e-commerce website with Woo Themes. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Hopefully I would know the answer to reply. And if you could subscribe, I'd deeply appreciate it. Thank you.